Calls or mail from jail for one of the 4 Wagner family members charged in the Rhoden murders.
A Pike County judge suspended Angela Wagner's privileges today after she was recorded on jail calls talking case strategy. Anjanette Levy is in Pike County tonight.
Angela Wagner was back in a Pike County courtroom for the first time since July.
Are you having contact with your attorneys as often as you feel you should and as often as you want to?
The first order of business, whether Wagner should be allowed to make phone calls and send mail from the jail after she was recorded talking to her mom, Rita Newcomb. Prosecutors have said Wagner urged her mom not to testify against her family. Newcomb is charged with forging custody documents in the case. Prosecutors say she was also talking to her son, Jake, who's also charged in the murders. There were no arguments from her attorney on the calls.
We would stipulate that she was in fact instructed that she was to have no contact with co-defendants in this case. The state has presented us with some information indicative of a violation of that, and we'll stipulate that she did in fact violate that court order.
Judge Deering ordered no more phone calls or mail for Wagner unless it's with her defense team. Wagner is the suspected mastermind of the conspiracy to kill 8 members of the Rhoden and Gilley family over custody of a little girl Jake Wagner had with Hanna Rhoden. Several technical issues were argued today. Wagner's attorneys want jurors who would only see the death penalty as a suitable punishment removed from the jury. And her lawyers don't want the jury to see graphic crime scene photos. All of the Rhodens and Hanna Gilley were shot in the head, some several times.
Per outlined in our motion, there are multiple reasons why autopsy photos or other photos that might be graphic in nature would be presented to the jury.
Angela Wagner's attorneys have received most, if not all, of the information in this case. It's more than 4 terabytes, which is a lot of information. Wagner will be back in court in December. In Waverly, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News.
Angela's husband, Billy Wagner, and their sons, George and Jake, are also charged in the murders. Billy and Jake Wagner will be in court tomorrow. George Wagner will be in court on Friday.